Hi everybody, this is Marcos from Out of Nowhere Games. In this tutorial we are going to make this in 5 minutes, okay? So we're going to make a tree from nothing. The first thing to do is to position your cursor, then you're going to add a plane, going to edit mode and connect the two extreme vertices with F. Then press Ctrl R and add a division in the edge and delete the perimetral vertices. Now we have only one vertex at the position of the cursor, so we can start to extrude that one with the shape of a tree that we like. We can make almost everything, so this one is going to be a small tree with multiple trunks at the base, and I am just extruding continuously, pressing the E key and giving shape to this little tree. For the sake of the tutorial, I have to make this in 5 minutes, so this is gonna be quick. When we have a base shape, we just add a modifier, a skin modifier in particular. I activate the smooth shading in the settings, then going to edit mode, select all with A, pressing Ctrl A, I just scale to a rough base size, then I select all the tips of the twigs and click Ctrl A again. Before doing this step, we have to activate the proportional editing and try again. As you can see, now the tree trunk is resizing proportionally, and we can just tweak the points that we don't like and make the size more consistent. Okay, at this point I will enable again the proportional editing and start to give shape to the tree. Okay, this is better. Now I'm going to duplicate this twig, let's call it twig, Shift D and rotate it and place it in another point of the tree and connect it to the vertex that I want, selecting the two vertices and pressing F. Now I have one more twig, I want one more, so I'm going to select this one, duplicate, rotate again, rotate, okay, just make it like this and connect it to the root. Then we can add divisions for making the shape more interesting. Okay, remember we are just working with vertices and edges, so we can divide with Ctrl R when we want and where we want. Okay, I'm happy with this shape. Now I am 4 minutes and 20 seconds and I already have a tree. Then you want to add a subdivision surface to make the tree round, and Also, I usually activate the wireframe. As you can see, it's very complex, so I'm going to add also a decimate modifier in the middle of the two other modifiers. We can set it to planar and click to 0.5, and the 5 minutes are passed now, and this is the tree, guys. It was very simple. You can make it the shape that you want, and it was pretty fast. In the next tutorial we are going to apply fronds to the tree, so if you like it, subscribe and let me know what you think. Bye guys.